Hello everyone and welcome to this introduction. If you're looking to master pull-out test simulation in Abaqus, you've come to the right place here. Today I'm excited to introduce our ultimate Abaqus pull-out test analysis package, a comprehensive training program that brings together 12 professional workshops covering some of the most important pull-out applications in civil, mechanical, material, and biomechanical engineering. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or an experienced simulation engineer, this package is designed to help you build accurate finite element models, understand complex interface behavior, and save countless hours of model development. Uh, Pull-out tests are widely used to evaluate the bound and interaction between two materials. They play a critical role in many engineering applications, such as the bound between reinforcement steel and concrete, the behavior of steel fiber in cementitious composites, GFRP reinforcement in the timber structure, orthopedic screw in the bone, and many other interface-related problems. However, accurately simulating this test in Abaqus can be challenging. Contact interactions, bound steel behavior, cohesive damage, nonlinear material, mesh quality, and convergence issue often make this simulation difficult, especially for new users. That's exactly why we created this package. Instead of learning from isolated examples, you'll gain access to a complete collection of practical research-based workshops that demonstrate different modeling strategies for a wide variety of pull-out problems. Let's take a quick look at what is included. The package contains 12 complete workshops, each focusing on a different engineering application. You learn how to simulate pull-out behavior of a steel fiber using both two-dimensional and axisymmetric models. You'll study the bound slip behavior of the rib reinforcement bar uh, with interface. You'll simulate the reinforcing bars pulled from the ultra-high performance, you can see it here, ultra-high performance concrete, fiber concrete. You analyze, here we have the uh, lab test of the precast wall from the concrete. The package also includes biomechanical applications such as ceramic nail and orthopedic screws embedded in bone. In addition, you learn advanced cohesive surface modeling, technical dynamic pull-out simulation, and damage investigation methods that are commonly used in the research and industrial projects. These examples expose you to a broad range of finite element modeling techniques that can be adapted to your work. Here, for instance, we have GFRP platform timber, and then medical ceramic screw, here steel fiber, here concrete damage plasticity, steel plate pullout, ripped bar, and medical screw. Uh, this package offers much more than just uh, uh, finished models. For every workshops, you will receive complete Abaqus CAE file allowing you to inspect every modeling step and modify the simulation for your own applications. You'll also receive the corresponding Abaqus input file, which is ideal for advanced users who want to customize keyword definition or perform parametric study. Each workshop is accompanied by a detailed step-by-step tutorial that explains the entire modeling workflow. Whenever available, the research paper is also included, allowing you to compare the numerical model with published paper. And this package is really suitable for a wide range of users. If you are a graduate student, PhD researcher, It can significantly reduce the time required to develop high-quality finite element model for your thesis or your research project. Uh, One of the biggest advantages of this package it is its diversity. Instead of purchasing separate tutorial for different applications, you will receive a complete collection covering civil, structural, composite, biomechanical, and mechanical engineering. The method you learn can be transferred to many other engineering problems and make this a valuable long-term resource rather than just a set of tutorial. And at the end, we have the payment information. The package price is 129 for 12 workshops. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies. And this is our email. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, package contents, or anything that you need to know about this. For now, thank you for your attention.